Guys, this is Justin with Spyder Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to install LED taillights on the 97 to 04 Ford F-150. All you have to do is just put the tailgate down, and you'll already see two bolts. They're 8mm, and to take them off, all you need is a 8mm socket and a ratchet. So just take it off. If the light's giving you a hard time, you might want to use a panel popper. Just slide it in and just pry it open. Now on the back you'll see two sockets going into the light. All you have to do is just turn counterclockwise and it should come right off. Just pull it off. Set that aside. And for the top light, you're going to want to take off the bulb. And on the back side of the new light, you'll see the new wiring harness and terminal. Just make sure you line up the negative with the negative on the stock light. Just plug it in. For the bottom, just pretty much plug it in, and once that's done, just slide everything back in. And put in your screws.